All you gotta do is point a camera at a bunch of women and watch them freak.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Point a camera at a bunch of guys, what do you get?
Rightio then, it is a beautiful Friday morning in Johns River. Lots of activity going on down there, so I've got no fools around me making nonsensical conversations, so I can actually explain what's going on here. There's one fool waving to me in the bulldozer. What's going on here is our young trainee Nick is in Sumi, or the Sumitomo, and the Mandela is in the kitty cat, the D7 dozer. And what's going on, just to explain what is happening here, down there is where I battled the stump from hell, where we had to actually, basically that stump root was all in there, and because the wall's going to be across there, if we left that root in, even though it was buried under, well, if we go according to Scott's specifications, it's going to be a 30-metre high wall. I think he's kidding himself there, but anyway, we'll let him believe what he wants to believe. The wall, in fact, is probably going to be up about 6 metres, I think. I'd like to get it up. So what we did is we removed all the clay from this area. Well, I removed all the clay, while these guys were just, I don't know what they were doing, where they were. Oh, they were getting the excavator floated from Kendall, that's right, they were doing something. So what we've done is moved all the wall clay over there, and that's all the good ceiling clay. And what Mandela is doing is pushing down half of this here. This is his, what I like to refer to as his skateboard bowl. Up there, it's about 89.9 degree slope. God knows how he got it up like that. But on this side is rocky stuff. Oh, my finger is playing havoc with focus there. That stuff there is rocky. This stuff here is clay. Mandela's done a very good job of separating and piling them up separately. And young Nick the Russian, is basically taking fill from there and dumping it over to there and loading up Mandela so he can do straight runs down there. And what we're doing is building up the bulk of the wall with that white clay there. And then when that wall is built up, probably up to about there, let's say, then we'll bring all that stuff straight across, and we have insta-wall, insta-dam. So Mandela's going sideways now, not sure what he's doing, but I don't know. He's his own man, he does what he wants to do. No use telling him what to do.
I got my head down when I was young. It's not my problem. It's not my problem.
So by the end of the day, I'd really like to see, worst case scenario, a roughly formed dam. Best case scenario, well, it's not going to be a final trim dam because we don't have the tractor and the box blade here, but you're hopefully going to see the makings of a dam there. That would be a good thing. If we look around this grand permaculture site, we go down there, that's what we call the Three Gorges Dam, because that has the runoff from all that up there. Never short of water with this dam because we're just raising the level so we can increase the level of that dam, so that whole wall there, where's my finger, there it is, that whole wall will come up about 2 meters, I'm guessing. We'll clear out all this rubbish here, we'll lay new pipes in there. That's the swale just there. That's the swale to empty this dam we're working on. That's, what's that? That's a burn pile. That's a topsoil pile over there. And Scott's collecting all the topsoil for his food forest, which is a very good strategy. There's the wood for his cob house, which he has self-harvested with a butter knife and a strong sense of determination. And that is the house pad for the cob house. That's got to be evened out, but the dozer just scraped the house pad.
I got my head jacked by a jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing is.
We got the second dam down there, and this is the first dam, which is going to basically gravity feed the food forest, which is going to be in there, where we've stacked all the topsoil, beautiful black topsoil. What else is going on around here? Oh, up here, that's all that rock there, over there. Where's my finger? I'm losing my finger today. That rock is going to be brought back over here, and over here is going to be, you can see our cars are parked up there on the road at the moment, causing a road traffic hazard. But over here is going to be a road, and it's going to come down there, an all-weather access road made out of stone and white clay, which is essentially a road base. And there he's going to be parking for 7 cars. He's apparently expecting a lot of visitors to this permaculture action, which would be great. We've got more topsoil packed here, and we've got more road base that I'm standing on. This road base hill I'm standing on, I reckon I could die if I fell off it. It is bloody high. And in here, once we get that, that's going to be a food forest there, but we're going to steal, you can see there's about 1 metre of clay there. And I think what we're going to do, if we run out of clay to seal this dam here, we will strip that clay and lay it into that dam. This dam at the moment, we've hit a lot of rock, and you can see all this rock here. And rock is terrible for building dams unless it's completely solid rock. But in this dam is clay and rock, so there's half a chance it'll seal, but by the time we leave, I will be sure that it will seal. I don't do half measures as far as sealing. And that's about it. Boys are going hard. Well, hardish. As hard as they go. Which is pretty relaxed, but gonna wear them out. And look at this. This is the vista from the top dam. Again, very spectacular. Every job we work at, it's like just amazing countryside, and we get to stand and just look at these beautiful mountains, trees, all kinds of animals, pretty little fluffy animals, and then snakes in there. That is like the snake motherlode down there, pythons and all kinds of weird shit, which I'm not too keen on, but Scott's very keen on. So he wants to keep a safe habitat for snakes, and that's fine. If I get up on top of this little thing, you'll see the rock Scott has been collecting there, laid out in a perfect square. Scott, or Amish as we call him, is, if nothing, he is very neat. And he's got all his rock laid out on plastic, not just on the grass, he's got it on plastic. And that's going to form, I think it's his walls, I'm not sure. I have to talk to him about that. He's not around today, I don't know what he's doing. He should be doing drone footage. It's up to me to do drone footage now. No, my drone footage isn't as good as his. Oh well.
Well, I am amazing all the time.
Doing wheel. Oh, he's destroying Scott. Oh, he's doing something. Oh, okay. He's got trees falling on him. Well, that worked well. Now he's going to pull a tree back with him. Oh, in the tracks. Oh, just chipper it up. Oh, he's like Sir Lancelot now. There's going to be a horse charging from the other end. I bet he's laughing about that. Oh, a bit of jousting going on. Good job, Mandela. That worked really. Oh, no, what he's doing? He's trying to drop it off. He can't be bothered getting off, so he's just going to drop it off in the dam, apparently. Oh, we'll see what he does here. No, he's changed his mind. He's going to attack another tree. I can't actually read what his strategy is here. Oh, he's going to go off a cliff instead. No, there he goes. Will this be successful? Oh, he's had to get off. What a bastard! He's had to get off and walk 3 steps. He'll be cussing under his breath now. Oh, pulls up his pants. He's getting serious here. Can he lift this tree? It's pretty skinny. Oh no, he got it. Oh, he's doing a bit of self-logging. Mandela loves logging. There he goes. He's placed it specifically. He's claiming that as a win. He's claiming that mistake as a win. I think that's just a mistake that's been fixed.
Mind you, did you see the skill and precision that I took it out with?
Mm.
Dozed up, knocked it, fell back onto the side of the dozer blade, pulled it out of where it was.
Right.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just say.
It was like my hand.
Let me just say. Stop talking. Stop talking. We've heard your side of the story, right?
Yeah.
I did a commentary while you were doing it.
I know.
It's starkly different to your side of the story.
Well, you're standing up here on the hill. You're
I
not
could
in the dozer.
see stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, you're not in the dozer.
It didn't look planned.
It was planned.
No.
100%.
No.
100%.
If you were planning to be Sir Lancelot and you were jousting some dragons. I think those boys are taking about a 2-hour lunch. In their contracts it's 12 minutes, but there seems to be some fluidity in the small print. Oh, I thought he was trying to push down Scott's tree there. Maybe I haven't briefed him on that Scott wants to keep those trees. Oh, he'll figure it out. Nick, this is his second day on the job, and it means that I don't have to do anything. So I consider that a win. Now he's backing back. Half of Mandela's life is spent going backwards. And that's a philosophical statement of his life too. Scott's somewhere over there doing Scott stuff. Big picture planning, permaculture king kind of stuff. I'm traumatised. So I'm traumatised that a 4-day job took 3 weeks. And it was because I was left alone.
Unsupervised.
Yep. You know, when you live too long by yourself, you don't have someone going, what the fuck are you doing?